Hi, I'm Paul here with MarineMax of Houston. I'm standing in front of the gorgeous 320 Sundancer by Sea Ray. This one's powered by twin 400 Berks on the back. So this is the all white with black trim. Got matching engines on the back. What an awesome cruiser for doing just about anything you want to do in fresh or salt water. Check out the underwater lights on the bottom. This boat's got some great features. We're going to step on board and check some of them out. Hi, we're back on board the 320 Sundancer by Sea Ray. Wanted to start at the back of the boat because there's a lot of great things going on back here. First of all, we've got a really large walkway to get from one side to the other. Even when the motors are tilted up, we've got one slightly tilted there. You got a ton of space back here, even with these 400s on the back. Look at this big storage compartment back here. Man, what a great place to put boat bumpers, scuba gear, water sports toys, you name it. There's plenty of room back there. I also like that they put the shore power and battery switches and everything right here on the back. It's easy to get to when you get on and off the boat. Stepping forward, this is an entertainment boat like you wouldn't believe right here. I mean, you could do so much with this boat. Your companion seat, you can flip-flop and join part of the conversation area. And check this out. We've got a nice Kenyan grill. Now, we just got this boat in, so you're going to see some shipping paper and things still on it, but we've got a nice drawer-style refrigerator. Mentioned the Kenyan grill. We've got a trash receptacle, a little wet bar here. Beautiful interior on this boat, place to plug in your blender. This boat's got the electric sure shade, and you might also notice that we've got the full canvas package on this boat, so that will extend your boating season and get you out there even when it's raining or weather's not perfect. Moving forward to the helm area, you'll notice one of my favorite features. We've got air conditioning here. Love that. The boat is powered with air conditioning, twin Simrad screens. This boat's got the joystick drive system, so it's real easy for one person to operate. It's really a joy to operate this boat. It's a lot of fun, very easy to do. Like I mentioned, this companion seat can flip-flop either direction. You've also got storage underneath. This is kind of neat. Tables are often hard to get to, but they've got this one really easy to get to. It makes it a great place for your entertainment back in the back. Down below, you'll see we have a really nice roomy cabin. This boat will sleep 4. You've got we've got the front sleeper made out right now, but that can convert to a dinette. We've got a really nice head compartment with a shower on this boat. You'll notice in the back we've got twin beds. So this is not only a great day cruiser, this is a boat you can spend the whole week on doing some overnighting. We're not done yet. We're going to check out the bow because that's another area in itself. You notice we've got a side walkway coming up to the bow. You've got nice tall handrails, keep everybody safe and secure. But look at this big lounger in the front. Set up for at least 3 people. Lots of room, lots of comfort, yet you're still inside the boat. You're not up on top of the deck like a lot of cruisers you see around. So this is really such a versatile boat. You can use it for so many things, for great entertaining, water sports, overnighting, fresh or salt water. And man, what a beautiful, beautiful day to be out on the water. My name is Paul. This 320 Sea Ray is just one of our many offerings here at MarineMax in Houston. We hope you can come check it out. We'd be glad to show it to you.